Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. Let's select Payback Poland, and now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now, let's go to gift card and similar to loyalty card, select gift card you would like to add. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And now let's proceed to public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.